Hey, it's Tim Cooper, and we're working on a 2009 Nissan Altima, and it's got the 4-cylinder 2.5 in it. The compressor's throwing sparks all over because the hub bearing on this thing's coming apart on the AC compressor. I've already evacuated the Freon out of the system, and we're going to show you how we change this compressor, so stay tuned. First thing you'll want to do is remove this upper air snorkel right here. 10mm on each side. Set things up there in the windshield crowling. On top of the motor like that. Now there's two tins down there for your lines going to your AC compressor. So a long extension, 3/8 drive, straight down through here. And yep, you might get a better visual of that. Let's see if you can light on the subject. Down in there. Hopefully it's cool. You work on it so you don't burn your hand on the exhaust. Both the tins are out. Now it looks like it could come up through the top, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try to take it out through the fender well. Take the line off. And put it up here. There. And then right on each side of that compressor, down there, after we unplug it, of course, 12mm, and you've got a belt you're going to need to take off, which will come off underneath. But I'm going to take that two 12mm I see that are up top right there off right now. And then we'll take it up. Break them loose with my regular hand ratchet. And I'm sure there's a couple down there on the bottom of 12 mils too. After you break them loose, you should be able to go down there with a battery powered Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet and take those suckers right on out of there. Get my ratchet back out of there. Now you're going to need to pull the right front tire off. A little plastic shield right there. I've already done that. Take the car up now, let's do the rest. Okay, so we got the car up, and we're going to take off that 14mm on your belt tensioner. Just using this long gear wrench, providing things work out okay. If they don't, we'll use something else. But oh yeah. You know, I like these mountain wrenches. Oh, that's strange. Yeah. Yeah, that looks better for us. Well. Things that I can't show on video that are going on behind me. Anyway, the belt's off. And I'll just tuck it over here. Just like that. I'm gonna have to pull this thing up. That clip came out, but that ain't a big deal. Pull it out. And just bend it down a little bit. 212s right down there on the bottom. And I hit my microphone, so I hope it's still recording. They're only that long. All right, concentrate on the work. Both bolts are out. Things are working well. We'll be able to sneak this sucker through here. I have no idea if that's gonna work out or not. If not, we'll do something different. Okay, definitely. Oh, it will. Just make sure you nose that thing at an angle like that, and it will come out. I was about to give up. An AC part, a C-1855TC. Check and find out how much oil we got. All right, we got 4 ounces of PEG, 46 oil. Now we gotta take a look here. We can probably get these O-rings up top a little bit later and replace them. I might dig them out now. At least this one, I'm not worried about the top one. That's kind of how I took it out of there. Starting to a lot of 12, some we take out earlier. Most of the way back home. snug them up good enough. I'm going to attempt to go in there. Oh, it's so strong. Oh well, we won't argue the point. Okay. Now my rule has always been put the belt back on in a smooth pulley. My rules. Let's finish up the top, come back to the belt. Alright, back up top, and 212 long 12s I've got started down there. I got new O-rings on my lines. Let's get my 3/8. I almost said air ratchet. Battery ratchet. These kind of run in there. Go ahead and plug it back in. Take the plugs out. Put this suction side on first. Long suction, 3/8 and 10 so. Now we go ahead, put this piece back on. Battle that belt and win the war. All right, going back to my original rule. This is a 15. I had to push it up in there tight, putting it on everything but a smooth pulley, and that gets your belt back on there. Now we got to put our power steering line back up. Now we got a little plastic shield. Put back in. Now this thing is missing some push tabs on it on the front already. I had one there. So I have one back here. And the brake line. I've got a couple of those I'll put back in later. Well, just so you know that I did it, I put the push tabs in there, the two, got this all lined in. I'm going to put the tire on. Just put it right there. That's our faithful AutoZone man. Oh, he loves to be on video. There we go. All right. No problem. Thank you. It's all right. Makes it more interesting that way. Okay, so here's the torque stick. Doing the boring stuff. All right, well, all we got left here to do is put a vacuum on it for 30 minutes and start it up and show you cold. We'll be right back. So you got a half-hour pump down, holding about 29.9 vacuum on the system now. We got to put capacity on it. Now, some of them have it written on the front of the car, and I'll go by that when they do have it. So I don't have to look it up. This car does, it's 55 kg. So we're going to use the capacity chart. We're going to put it out of ounces. 55 kg starting charging. Let the machine do its thing. Okay, what I'm showing you here is static pressure unit charged in my gauges. Let's start it up. Pressure, we're good. We're good and we're cold. So there you have it. Well, without any further ado, your Nissan Altima 2.5 AC compressor replacement. Thanks for watching. Hope you can subscribe to the channel, like, make your comments, good or bad and indifferent. Don't care, I will reply.